Today we are going to start with a very new and very important and very tough chapter, because most of the students lose their marks in this chapter, that is account of not for profit concern. So one by one we have to see all the things in detail. So we'll try to do that. Chalo, first we'll see what they are trying to say. Start it.
2.1 Introduction. There are two types of organizations. First is trading organization or profit-making organizations, and second is non-trading or not-for-profit organization.
So there are two types of organization, trading and another is non-trading. Trading means dealing and earning the profit, and not earning the profit but rendering services to the society. Clear with that?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Trading organizations' main object is to earn profit. They are engaged in trading activities, that is buying and selling of goods and services. Organizations like sole trading concern, partnership, cooperatives organizations, public limited company, etc. are set up for the purpose of making profit. Final accounts, which consist of trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet, are prepared. Base of final account is trial balance.
I think we already seen all these things. अभी हमने लास्ट ईयर ट्रेडिंग सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप देखा था फाइनल अकाउंट का, और ये साल हमने पार्टनरशिप देखा है. क्लियर? So what is the main purpose of all these business firm or business concern? That may be the partnership, maybe the cooperative, maybe the public limited, just to earn the profit is the main source. And yes, of course, that is main purpose, motive. And for that, trial balance is the base. What is trial balance? We already seen in 11th standard detail. It is summation of all ledger balances in the form of debit and credit. Okay. Again, go ahead with the next point.
Not-for-profit organizations' main aim is to give services to its member or to the society at large. They are not formed for profit making. They do not carry any trading activity or manufacturing activity. Sports club, charitable hospitals, so schools, colleges, universities, trade unites, chamber of commerce, professional institutes, trust, social welfare associations, religious concern, libraries, etc. are example of not-for-profit concern. Their main objective is to give services to the members. They maintain the book of accounts in a different way.
So, देखो इनका main motive ही क्या है? Rendering services to the society. And whenever you are saying rendering services to the society, it means your purpose is not earning the profit, but doing social activity. It may be the charitable trust, it may be the school, it may be the hostel, college, library, and so on. Clear? It may be the religious concern also. Main purpose is what? Rendering services to society, because you are taking birth in a society, so it is your responsibility. So that right now in COVID-19, the doctors and other workers are doing. Correct now? Cleaners,
Yes.
they all are doing the same thing. This is what not-for-profit concern. Go ahead.
As their motive is not to earn profit, or not-for-profit concerns do not prepare profit and loss account. Instead, they prepare income and expenditure account.
Wait
Similarly, they do.
wait. इसका मतलब क्या है? If I wanted to know how much I am earning or losing, I have to prepare that obvious profit and loss account, all as per the nominal account rules and regulations will apply. But instead, when I am preparing or concerning about not-for-profit concern, at that time I can't prepare profit and loss क्योंकि मेरा motive ही नहीं है profit कमाना. Understood? So instead of that, I will prepare income and expenditure account because it is ditto similar to the profit and loss account. So when I decided not to prepare profit and loss, so I even don't need to prepare trial balance. So, but
Yes.
I will prepare receipt and payment account. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, go ahead.
Similarly, they do not prepare trial balance, but they prepare receipt and payments account. These organizations prepare balance, but they prepare receipt and payments account. These organizations sheet to know the net worth of the concern on a particular date. Final accounts of not-for-profit concern consist of
net worth. Do you remember the net worth meaning? Does anyone remember net worth? Even Khushi, you can answer.
These organizations.
See, what is net worth? We have seen in 11th standard first chapter. capital balance itself is known as equity, owner's equity or a net worth. But when in a capital balance, you will add reserve and surplus, means some part of profit keeping aside for future use, then that is become net worth. So clear? Capital
Yes,
fund
sir.
plus reserve and surplus itself is a net worth. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes.
Very nice.
Final
Completed correctly, owner's equity.
final accounts of not-for-profit concern consist of income and expenditure accounts and balance sheet.
So final account of not, देखो not for profit concern का भी final account बनेगा, word वही रहेगा, because you want to show the financial picture of the concern. तो बस उसके लिए instead of preparing profit and loss, they will prepare income and expenditure, and obviously balance sheet will be same as it is. There will be no change at all.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Yes, the meaning of not-for-profit concerns. Not-for-profit concerns are those concerns which are not started to earn profit, but to give qualitative services to its members and society at the minimum charges. Their main objective is to provide social service and to promote art, culture, sports, education, etc. The nature of these concerns are different from profit organizations. Not-for-profit concerns collect income through subscription, admission fees, donations, etc., given by members or non-members, and grant subsidies or concessions received from the government.
देखो, I think it is the one and the same thing again and again repeating. Their main object is to rendering services to the society, and that may be the art, promoting the art, culture, sport, education. So they are not for profit concern. It means what? Still they want to spend the money, and they have to spend the money towards society or specific object. For that they have to collect the money. Then what is the sources for collecting the money? So subscription, donation, admission fees, which one? These all are the methods to collect the money, and from that they can rendering services to the society. Clear, everyone? So
Yes.
now we have to
Yes,
see
sir.
all these things in detail. What is the meaning of subscription? What is the meaning of donation? What is the meaning of admission fees? How they will collect from the other people or members? ये सब हमें डिटेल में अभी देखना है. Okay, again go ahead.
Features for not-for-profit concern. The primary objective of such concerns is to provide services to its member and not to earn profit.
देखो पहला पॉइंट वही है, फिर से रेंडरिंग सर्विसेज टू द सोसाइटी, प्रमोटिंग आर्ट, कल्चर एंड स्पोर्ट एक्सेट्रा. क्लियर?
Yes. These concerns are formed for promotion of art, culture, education, sports, charity, health, etc.
Same point.
The members The members of this concern cannot got the dividend. It is prohibited.
What is the logic not giving dividend? Because we are not investing our money in the concern. We are giving the money so that they can render services to the society. So this is not the shares that you are investing and you are getting some return. That is prohibited, not allowed.
The management of such concerns is done by elected representatives of the members. It is governed by the elected members.
इसका मतलब the management will be taken care by the few members which is selected by other members.
Yes. These concerns prepare receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet.
So if I will say not for profit concern, you have to solve the question. So these things we have to prepare. That is, one is receipt and payment, another is income and expenditure, and balance sheet is the last one. But in the question, generally and specifically, they will give you the receipt and payment. From that, you have to prepare income and expenditure and balance sheet. Sometimes it may happen income and expenditure is given, you have to prepare the receipt and payment. But in your 12th standard, उन्होंने इसको और easy कर दिया. You just have to prepare income and expenditure and balance sheet. Receipt and payment they will prepare for you, and from that basis you have to solve the question. Go ahead.
Capital fund is created by such concerns. It is made up of entrance fees, surplus, legacies, and donations specially received from capital fund.
So what is capital fund? It is nothing but amount provided, but here now it is not the profit motive or profit concern, earning concern. Hence, what is the source for collecting the capital? So legacies, donations, entrances, these are few sources through which you can create your capital fund. So what is exactly that mean? Again, we will see in detail later. Meaning of all these legacies and all.
सर कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी में होता है ना ये?
कोऑपरेटिव में भी होता है और ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कोऑपरेटिव चाहिए. कोई चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट रहेगा तो भी they will follow the same thing. Only if your purpose motive is rendering services, then you have to prepare your financial statement through not for profit concern. Clear? Okay, we'll again go ahead with the next point. Difference between profit organization and not for profit organization. So Khushi, can you read this now?
Yes, sir.
Read it.
Point of distinction, primary objective. The primary objective of such organization is to earn profit. The primary object of their organization.
देखो पहले का तो मोटिव है प्रॉफिट कमाना, दूसरे का है सोसाइटी को सर्विस रेंडर करना and not earning the profit.
Preparation of trial balance. Prepares trial balance. Do not prepare trial balance. Receipt and payment account is prepared.
देखो सिंपल लॉजिक है. I wanted to find out the picture whether I am earning profit or loss. So I don't have a choice, but that is the base. Final account का base ही है preparation of trial balance. But यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ही नहीं अराइज होता है, इसलिए हम ट्रायल बैलेंस नहीं बनाते. But we are preparing receipt and payment. Then what is receipt and payment? We have to see this in detail later. ये चार्ट के बाद उसको देखना है आपको.
Accounting statement, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, balance sheet.
अगर फाइनल अकाउंट की बात करते हैं तो फाइनल अकाउंट ये तीन बेस पे बनाते हैं, दैट इज ट्रेडिंग एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एंड बैलेंस शीट. बट अगर मैं किसकी बात करता हूँ, नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट कंसर्न की, एनपीसी की बात करता हूँ, तो आई हैव टू प्रिपेयर दिस थ्री थिंग्स: receipt and payment, income and expenditure, and balance sheet. Out of these, receipt and payment already prepared by them, so we don't require to prepare that. We just have to require to prepare a balance sheet and income and expenditure account. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Praful is asking, sir, what is meaning of legacies? Praful, I will explain this in detail later. एक अलग से point है उसके लिए. But still, if you are asking, legacy is nothing but the donation received by the concern. Okay, it is as per the will of the deceased person. That is what the legacy.
Yes, sir.
देखो इसमें बहुत सारे पॉइंट है. ये मैं इमीडिएटली एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बहुत डिटेल में तुम्हें हर एक चीज एक्सप्लेन करना है. तो अभी के लिए सिर्फ अगर वो वर्ड भी आए नहीं समझा तो यू जस्ट मैसेज मी जैसे प्रफुल्ल ने किया है. उसके बाद आई विल अगेन री एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग. So okay, go ahead with the next point.
Net results, net profit and loss, surplus or deficit.
देखो नेट प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस के बारे में मुझे बोलने की जरूरत नहीं अभी. व्हेन माय इनडायरेक्ट इनकम इज ग्रेटर देन माय इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस, आई विल गेट द नेट प्रॉफिट, एंड इफ वाइस वर्सा देन नेट लॉस. Then what is surplus and deficit? It is ditto like profit and loss. Only when income is greater than expenditure, instead of a profit, we are saying surplus. So when expenditure is greater than the income, so what we supposed to say? Deficit. So please remember, in this chapter, profit की जगह we will use the word surplus, and loss की जगह we will use the word deficit. All the other adjustment will be ditto same. If there is a surplus, it is added in a capital, and if there is a deficit, it will be subtracted from capital. Only in this chapter, instead of saying capital, I will say capital fund, because this fund is collected from the people outside things. And in a capital, that is the amount provided by proprietor partner. This is the difference. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead again.
Owner's fund or capital fund. Owner's fund includes owner's investment. For example, capital plus reserves and surplus.
ये ओनर्स का बात हो गया है. कैपिटल फंड मतलब ओनर ने लगाया हुआ पैसा. फर्स्ट ही चैप्टर में हमने 11th स्टैंडर्ड में देखा है व्हाट इज कैपिटल. अमाउंट प्रोवाइडेड गिवन बाय प्रोप्राइटर टू कमेंस अ बिजनेस, स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस. गो अहेड.
Capital funds represents accumulated amount of surplus, subscriptions, donations, and surplus as shown by income and expenditure accounts.
So in this chapter, how capital fund created? It is created by the legacies, donations, all capital receipts. Income, that is surplus. Okay? Everyone clear
Need
this
for-
point?
Yes, sir.
सिर्फ इसमें एक चीज याद रखो, प्रॉफिट मोटिव मतलब प्रॉफिट अर्न करना है, नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट मतलब उसको अर्न नहीं करना है. इसमें ट्रायल बैलेंस बनेगा, इसमें ट्रायल बैलेंस नहीं बनेगा. इसका बेस ट्रेडिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस और बैलेंस शीट रहेगा. इसका रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर एंड बैलेंस शीट रहेगा. इसमें प्रॉफिट लॉस मिलता है, इसमें डेफिसिट सरप्लस मिलता है, इसमें कैपिटल फंड है जो इन्वेस्ट होता है प्रोप्राइटर या पार्टनर्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, और इसमें हम एक्यूमुलेटेड करते हैं थ्रू द लीगसीज, थ्रू द सब्सक्रिप्शन, थ्रू द यू इवन कैन से डोनेशन एंड ग्रांट, सो ऑन. मैंने 2 मिनट में सब कुछ रिवाइज करवा दिया. होपफुली तुम्हें समझ में आया होगा.
Yes, sir.
ओके. कि वो मैं क्लियर नहीं करवा रहा हूँ पर्पसफुली, क्योंकि मुझे उसके बारे में बहुत डिटेल में आगे बोलना है. तो अभी के लिए सिर्फ सब्सक्रिप्शन आया है, समझ लो सब्सक्रिप्शन. व्हाट इज सब्सक्रिप्शन? इट इज द फीस गिवन बाय द मेंबर्स, ओके, फॉर मेंटेनिंग देयर मेंबरशिप. उसको हम डिटेल में बाद में देखेंगे. और ये चैप्टर में यही एक पॉइंट हार्ड है, सबसे हार्ड है, सब्सक्रिप्शन. बच्चों का जो आंसर टैली नहीं होता है वो सिर्फ इसकी वजह से ही नहीं होता है. Okay, we'll again go ahead with the next point. Need for maintaining books of account and preparation of final account. Chalo, go ahead.
Need for maintaining books of account and preparation of final account, not for profit concern, are not engaged in trading activities. Mostly they deal with public money.
देखो,
These
if someone is dealing with the public money, it means you are answerable to the society or public. How you are utilizing that money, agreed? And for that
Yes, sir.
purpose, you have to prepare income and expenditure, even though you are not preparing profit and loss. It is dicto the similar. Okay.
These concern collect money such as subscriptions, donations, grants, entrance fees, etc. from public. These concerns are answerable to the society for such money collected and spent. Hence, proper books of account are to be maintained. Following are the reasons for maintaining books of account but not for profit concern.
Okay. Chalo, go ahead with these all point one by one.
To maintain proper control over monetary transactions.
Since there is we are doing or dealing with the money, so we have to maintain the record in detail, so that even though in future some question arises, we can cross check and handle the situation.
To know the sources of income and heads of expenditure.
Which are the sources through which I can earn the money for rendering services to the society, and similarly while rendering services to the society, what expenditure I have to incur.
To comply with the provisions of law applicable to them. For example, not for profit concern registered as a charitable trust under Mumbai Public Trust Act or cooperative society registered under the Cooperative Society Act has to comply with the provisions of these acts regarding budget, audit of account, registers to be maintained, etc.
देखो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट और बहुत अच्छी बात इन्होंने ये पॉइंट में बोली है. एंड व्हाट इज दैट? जो भी नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट कंसर्न है, उनको या तो कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी के हिसाब से या तो ट्रस्ट के हिसाब से सब एक्टिविटी करनी पड़ती है. रिगार्डिंग सब कुछ कंप्लायंस करना पड़ता है. फिर वो रजिस्टर्स होंगे या फिर ऑडिट होगा तुमने किया हुआ बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट मेंटेन करने के लिए, या फिर जो भी बजट में बोला गया रहेगा वो सब यू हैव टू फॉलो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट जो रहता है ना, उसका पहला ही क्लॉज रहता है, however and how much income you are earning, out of that 85% income you have to spend for your activity as per income tax act 1961. ये क्लॉज बोला गया है. क्या बोला गया है? जो भी तुम पैसा चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट में कलेक्ट करते हो, वो पैसा उसी चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट के डेवलपमेंट के लिए होना चाहिए. एक्सपेंडिचर खर्च करना चाहिए उसी चैरिटेबल डेवलपमेंट के लिए, या फिर उससे पब्लिक को, सोसाइटी को सर्विस. क्लियर? दूसरा और कोई क्लॉज के लिए यू कांट यूटिलाइज दैट मनी. ओके, गो अहेड.
To know surplus or deficit of the concern during a particular period.
That I already said. What is surplus and deficit? So same thing.
Yes, sir. To know the net worth of the concern as on a particular day.
So what is the net worth? Capital fund, that is capital reserve and surplus.
To avoid malpractices and misappropriation of cash and asset.
Sometimes there may be the cashier who can take the cash and run away. That is embezzlement of cash. ऐसी चीजें ना हो, एक proper control हो, उसी के लिए books of account you have to be maintained. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do one thing. I am giving you the 2 minutes. You just copy this. इतना तुम चार्ट बनाओ. So उसके बाद हम आगे की बात करेंगे. Just prepare this chart.